I did not get this videoed. I wrapped that whole pendant and didn't get it videoed. Oh well. Yeah, that is a video that y'all should have gotten, but I did it in an 18 gauge and a half round, and it's a tempera. I don't think it's called tempera, but it's some kind of jasper. Yeah, I hate I didn't get it videoed. I'm like, I'm going to turn off the video and it's not videoing. I guess I'm distracted because we're having bad weather. So, yep. I wish I'd got that one up there, but I thought I'd show you anyway. That's what it looks like. And all I did was do a cage around it and do some swirls up here. And, yeah. Gosh, I hate I missed videoing that. I'll just post this little clip and let you see what it looks like. And I cut that stone. Alright. I'll see you on the next one. And hopefully I'll video it. Alright, bye-bye.